Hey guys, welcome back. So when you're modeling in Revit, there would be instances where you find problems like this, where the wall is not exactly sitting right on top of the floor slab. And if you're doing a CAD to BIM workflow, it's a good idea to fix them right from the start. So this is a quick break for you guys from learning new concepts and fixing stuff in Revit. Now, in order to fix this, what you can do is you can isolate the flows and the DWG file. So I'm going to activate the DWG file here by tapping VV. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the DWG file. So let's select the DWG file and I'm going to select the floor here. So let's see if we can select the floor. So multiple categories have been selected. Yeah, so the floors and the DWG file has been selected. Now let's isolate this. So let's isolate category. So we have our finished floors. We have our complete floor and we have our DWG file. The DWG file is correct. So you can see so the flooring is correct and it is sitting correctly within the bounds of the DWG file. What you see here is an extra plaster. So we can now hide our floors. So let's go to model categories here. So what we can do now is we can reset temporary hide isolate. Now let's select the walls and our DWG file. And then let's isolate this now. So let's isolate category. All right, so the wall is a problem. The wall is not sitting right to the edge of the DWG file. So I'm going to select this wall, tap MV, and I'm going to move this to this edge here. So now it's sitting perfectly on top of the DWG file. So now it looks perfect. Let's quickly check all the other walls here as well. To the left, to the top. Okay, so that fixes it. And we can go ahead with the other lessons. So let me just reset temporary height and you can notice that it sits perfectly. Let me isolate this category again. So let's isolate the DWG file and our walls. Yeah, so it's sitting perfectly and the size is 7 or 200 mm, which is what we needed. All right, perfect. All right, so now it looks fine and we can go ahead with the rest of the course. Maybe what you could also do is, in case you would like to see your DWG file here, now for example, you can see some lines are hidden here. And that is because this DWG file, when you select this, it is placed on ground floor slab top. Maybe you can change the work plane to finish floor. So now it comes to this level and then we can see our DWG file better in this level. So that's a quick tip for you guys in case your DWG file gets hidden. And that is because it is placed at another level. So you simply need to change the level of your DWG file, the work plane, to the right level. So in this case, I placed on finish flow for now. All right, so now let's continue with the rest of the course. I'll see you guys next video. Cheers.